Hi guys, it's me Robert with a new video. Today I'll be showing you guys a $1,200 gaming computer build. This build will easily run any game on max settings such as Battlefield 3, Crysis 2 or even Minecraft. Just kidding. Let's kick our build off with the case. Here we have the cooler Master HAF. This case is well known for its great airflow and expandability. It will suit this build perfectly and will keep it very cool. Next, let's take a look at the small cosmetic thing. This is a NZXT LED kit. Of course, you don't have to get this, but it's a very cool thing to have. It comes with a 1 meter LED strip and a PCI expansion bracket, which you can use to control the LEDs. Now, let's take a look at the processor. Here we have the Core i5-3570K Ivy Bridge processor. This quad-core processor, clocked at 3.4 GHz, will provide plenty of power for gaming. It is also unlocked, so you can overclock it. For this build, I chose an aftermarket heatsink and fan for your overclocking needs. This is the well-known Cooler Master Hyper 212 Plus. It's been known for the best price per performance ratio. Most people are able to overclock their 3570Ks to over 4 GHz. Next, let's take a look at the graphics card. For this build, I chose the Gigabyte GTX 680 graphics card. Now, this is a beast of a graphics card. It is the best single GPU gaming graphics card NVIDIA can offer. This Gigabyte version has 3 fans, which will keep the graphics card very quiet and cool, and also offer room for overclocking. Let's move on to the RAM. Here we have 8 GB of Kingston HyperX memory, clocked at 1866 MHz. The memory clock doesn't make a noticeable difference, but this RAM was on sale, so why not? 8 GB should be plenty for gaming. Next, we have the motherboard. For this build, I chose the ASRock Z75 motherboard. It is a featureful Z75 motherboard. On top of that, it has some very nice reviews and a reasonable 3-year warranty. As the main storage device, we'll have the Western Digital Caviar Black 1TB hard drive. It spins at 7200 RPM, supports SATA 6 GB per second, and sports 64 MB of cache, making it one of the fastest hard drives on the market. This build also includes an SSD. Here we have the Samsung A40 series drive. Samsung makes fantastic SSDs, and it will greatly speed up your system. Last but not least is the heart of the system. This is the Corsair 750 watt power supply. This power supply provides 750 watts of power and it's 80 plus bronze certified. Corsair makes great quality power supplies and it should last you a long time. Overall, this is a fantastic computer build. It will run any game on max settings and will look great with the LEDs. The exact price is $1,203.90 today. There's also a few mail and rebate cards you can send. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!